In every plant, your pumps, motors, and systems are talking. They whisper about wear. They warn before they fail. But most people aren't listening. At PlusSmart Technology, we've built something powerful, a condition monitoring ecosystem that turns ordinary process data into extraordinary reliability, efficiency, and process improvement. We combine the precision of eye-alert vibration analytics, the intelligence of Poseidon Systems oil and fluid sensors, and the depth of our proprietary Pump analytics engine, all powered by PlusSmart technology. PlusSmart is more than a dashboard. It's your digital reliability partner, a collection of practical solutions that listens to your assets, learns their rhythms, and predicts what's next. Every piece of process data becomes a story of performance. It tells you when efficiency drops, where reliability weakens, and how to make improvements before problems ever begin. A wind turbine operator prevented unplanned failures. A mining client eliminated years of seal failures. A water utility cut maintenance by 95%, all by unlocking the data they already had. Behind every insight is decades of real-world expertise. Our team knows what the data means because we've been in the field when downtime costs millions. We built PlusSmart so you never have to rely on guesswork again. It's like having your own reliability engineer working 24/7 inside your data. Imagine walking into your plant and already knowing what's healthy, what's efficient, and what's about to cost you money. That's the PlusSmart advantage. It doesn't just make you informed, it makes you unstoppable. The most reliable plants in the world don't wait for failures. They understand their data and act before problems begin, turning process signals, vibration, and oil condition into engineering intelligence you can act on. If you'd like to explore what this could reveal for your plant, book a complimentary demo and we'll walk you through the insights. PlusSmart Technology. See what others miss.